Yeah, guys, I want to know from you if you have ever been scammed online before. If the answer is yes, kindly share with me your experience in the comment section below. I'll be back shortly after this particular break. Yeah guys, so welcome back to another episode of the Trends on Social Media show right here on that TV. If you are new here, you're welcome to join this particular family by subscribing to the subscribe button below and also click on the bell icon so that anytime we drop a fresh content on this channel, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's trend has to do with a lady who has been scammed online, and in this era or in this age of digitalization or digital trends and all that, people are fond of buying stuff online. Right now, social media, let me say online platform has actually cut our leg shots, let me put it in that way. Gone are the days where people used to walk to the market, people used to walk to the malls, long distance to just go and purchase the items and all. Right now you can just be at the comfort of your home and just place a call or go online or on social media. I want to buy this, okay, then the stuff will be delivered to you and you pay them. Some you have to pay the money up front and all that. So life is very, very easy in this side or on this side of the world. Okay, yeah. So a lady of which netizens on social media will tag her as a slay queen, upon seeing a video on another page or another platform of a lady flaunting a wig or a weave on. I don't know how these ladies call it though, but yeah. So it seems the hair or the artificial hair actually caught her attention, and of course ladies always want like flashy stuff. Once it's very, very flashy, once it's very nice, Charlie, your woman will worry you plus some, you get it. So the lady, upon seeing the video or upon seeing the hairdo or hairstyle, like, Charlie, I want some. And fortunately for her, that particular platform actually delivers it and all that. So per the video, you could see that she placed an order and also she actually paid for it. But lo and behold, what she actually ordered for, when it came, it was not what she ordered for. It's like you've ordered for plantain chips and they brought you banku. Can you imagine how furious you'll be? Yeah, so as I said in my earlier submission, guys, if you have been a victim of such fraud or such scam or such unfortunate events, kindly share with me your experience. I want this particular video to be very, very interactive, so share with me your experience. I also share with you my experience, then we'll get a conversation continuing down there. Yeah, so as I said, so when the wig or the item was brought, it was not what she actually expected. And guys, I don't know how she was able to trace the lady. Charlie, she went to tag the lady and I was like, Charlie, give me my money. Like beatings upon beatings. It took, I don't know whether it was a sugar daddy or I don't know. It took a man to actually, and even with the separation stuff, it was not easy. Guys, watch the video and we'll come back to talk more.
Yeah, come see cash me. Say police station. Say I know me or tell you papa baby.
This is a police barracks.
Police barracks in two best coming for. Police barracks in two best coming for. They are jam me. Wow, that's it. My dad dey will be in chain. Women are me better and they are women and cabbage. Come see come in person me dey be amami. Me man kwan. Best in family can share me, send me stop it then. My family, the only me and me, my boss, I know about the end of my Joanna, but nobody else. I am sick and I'm military. I'm not too dynamic. So I saw the question, but excuse me. So me.
Now, father, it's where?
Me for to know the shell.
Chinese film.
I don't have me. Family sick, I uncle friend daddy, brother. I just me say, "Ne, one car better." Family sick, mommy. You didn't send any money to me. Then I tried to make for one. I over me.
Hey,
try to move.
You don't respect Stop what you're doing. Stop what you're doing. Stop.
Yeah, guys, so you saw it in the video. The lady was very, very furious. Like, she went hard. It was like, Charlie, give me my money. Give me my money. Give me my money. Guys, you could see that the lady was very, 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 very furious. So I want to know, if you were in the lady's shoes, will you do, or will you have done what she did, or will you have done it differently? Let me hear your thoughts in the comment section below. Okay, guys, all too soon, we've come to the end of the Trends on Social Media show right here on Odate TV. If you enjoyed this video, kindly share this video with your friends and lovers. Don't forget to also like the video, and don't forget to also subscribe to this channel if you haven't. Yeah, so don't forget to also follow me on all social media platforms. It's at Odate_G. On Instagram is at Odate.G. Yeah, so I have a blog, entertainment blog, which is running, you know. Lots of entertaining content is on www.odategnews.com. So log on and read more. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.